Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This is covering Eli infections by organisation and location of onset. This only goes up to 2024 December, just gone, because they've all moved the data to this one, MRSA, MSSA, which I'm covering in another video. Anyway, just have a look at the table. Here's one of the files. Typical data, not too bad at all, really. Quite easy for us to import. And we'll just have a look at the data itself. So there's 4 tables. I'll just show you what's in there. So you've got the numbers by commissioner, and again by commissioner and location of the onset. Then by provider. And by provider and location onset location, sorry. You want to see that data and the thousands and thousands of other stats data, and any data we don't have, just ask for it and we'll add it for free, because you just pay once per year and you get access to absolutely everything. There's a link in the description. Follow that and you can get free access for 30 days. Thanks.